Hello guys and welcome back! In today's video I'll create a set of nails inspired by the Netflix TV show Wednesday. Keep watching! Starting with painting my first nail in black, a first thin layer, dry it in the lamp, then I'm doing a second layer. Each layer has to be thin, not too thick. Dry it in the lamp and then I apply my top coat. I dry it in the lamp and now I will need a mattified surface to work on my nail art, so I will file off a little bit my top coat and clean it with cleaner. And now I will use my paint gels, which is the white and the black color. Start with the middle finger, and on this nail I will create the tie, the shirt, the white shirt and the tie that Wednesday she's wearing typically in her dress school. I will not in this video show any screenshot of the show because I don't want to run any copyright, but I believe that if you watch this video is because you are a fan of the show or you basically like that character. Or you watch the show and you like it, so you should know exactly what I'm doing. The first thing I'm creating the white shirt. I will dry everything in the lamp and then I will go with the black tie. And again, the white is already dry, now I'm painting with my black paint gel. I'm using a nail pad with cleaner to clean when I make some mistakes. And now with some grey gel polish, or it can be also a mixture of some white and a little bit of the black to get a grey color if you don't have it. And I creating the depth of basically my artwork, creating, the shadows. And I'm doing the same with the whites. Basically I make what is supposed to be standing or out, so I'm using a thin brush and creating these white lines. And after I dried everything in the lamp again, it's finally time for the top coat, which will reveal how it will look for real, the artwork. Take in consideration that every time I'm creating a little bit of the artwork or a changing color, I dry it in the lamp. I will turn upside down the nail to make it like even up a little bit. Dry it in the lamp and here we go, this is my first nail. My next nail is going to get next to this one and it's going to follow basically the pattern of the dress, of the jacket with the grey and black stripes that she actually wearing with the tie and the white shirt. So this is very easy. With a liner brush I just dampened some grey gel polish and I just creating some straight lines on the already black painted nails. Apply top coat. I will dry it in the lamp. And here we go. That was one of the easiest. Next, my third nail is going to be from the other side of my tie, and I already painted with black colors, dried in the lamp, put the top coat, and now again as the first nail I mattify it because I will need again a matte surface. And on this nail I'm creating the logo of Wednesday, or to be precise, the W of Wednesday. So painting letters on actually nails is pretty difficult and it takes a long time, so don't be mad if you not will get the perfect, or at least a good result the first time. It's a matter of exercise actually to be able to like make letters that actually have like the right sizes and everything. And I actually did an exercise. I just did it, and it came out how it's gonna come out. And for that I using the white paint gel, and I'm just painting basically all the letter, and then I will dry it after. And before dry it obviously, and for clean and fix the mistake, I taken this kind of brush which has a flat brush, and dump it with cleaner, and I try to clean basically all the around to give more precise lines to my letter. I could have actually taken a screenshot of the letter, but I will not do it again for copyright issues. Like, I don't know how it is actually exactly, so I just don't want to take the risk. So just Google it, and you can take a look at the letter of Wednesday, at the logo on Wednesday, and you can see how actually the first letter looked like. And then finally, when I dry it, I can apply top coat, and this is the reveal of how actually in the end it looked like, and I really love that moment. Every time before dry it, I just turn it upside down to make my surface a little bit more even. Next nail, I already did the same. I painted with blacks, 2 layers, dried in the lamp. I put top coat, and I mattify my surface again because I need to work on a mattified surface. And now I'm going, this is the pinky nail, and I decided to create the chest pattern that Wednesday wearing she's wearing like a sweater, I feel like, with this pattern. So I decided to create it, but on the smallest nail, because this is very difficult. In my opinion, this is the most difficult nail of all the ones that I created. And again, I'm helping myself with a brush with cleaner to refine my lines, or remove basically the mess that I made. When I was creating that, I felt I should have watched actually a tutorial on how to create this kind of effect on nails. I think Kirsty Miki, she have she creating sometimes this kind of things, so I should watch one of her video, and I didn't. I just went straight to do it, because actually I wasn't sure what I was going to create on these nails. So yeah, whatever, like, learn from my mistake basically. When I'm done with the white, I dried everything, and I applied finally the top coat. And I felt right away that I wasn't happy with what I see, because that was really smudgy. So I decided basically to file a little bit the top coat, and again going this time with black paint gel, and redo the black lines, let's say. And it was not perfect, but was better than actually just when I finished with the white. So I dried my black and I finally applied the top coat, and here you go, that's how it look like. I know this is not perfect, but it's difficult, believe me. Last nail but not least, I doing my first nail, which is thumbnail, and I went straight to something super easy but something that I actually really like. It grabbed my attention when I was watching a TV show, and this is inspired by a helmet that Wednesday she's wearing, I feel, with her uncle in this like a vehicle, which is like some vehicle that using for dog transport something. So basically the helmets are like this Dalmatian, like dog pattern. So it is super easy. I just applied the white right in the lamp and went straight with some black gel polish and created the patterns that I was seeing on the helmet, basically in a screenshot that I took. I dried in the lamp and now I'm applying the top coat. I will turn it upside down to even up the surface. And here we go, the reveal of all the Wednesday set. I absolutely love it actually, and this is how it look like on the fingers. Obviously are not attached permanently, these are press-on, are attached just to show you how they look like, because I have like another set underneath. And yeah, it was absolutely super fun. I truly hope I inspired you. If you like have like some special occasion and you would like to create nails inspired by the actual TV show, or actually you're like a big fan of it and you just really want to have nails inspired by the movie, so here we go, this is my inspo for you. Don't forget to give to this video a like if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content, write me something in the comment down below if it's your pleasure, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!